In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Philadelphia County. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Philadelphia Parking Authority violations page at philapark.org/violations. This page is the main starting point for several types of violation payments, so it's important to begin here and make sure you choose the option that matches the notice you received. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the ticket information shown on the screen. You'll see that the site organizes payments by violation type, which helps you avoid selecting the wrong category. This is useful because parking tickets, red light violations, speed camera violations, and past due violations may each follow a slightly different payment path. From this page, you'll have a few payment options available. You can choose pay parking ticket if your notice is for parking. You can choose pay red light violation if your notice is related to a red light camera. You can also choose pay speed camera violation if that matches your citation, or select pay past due violations if your notice is already overdue. Be sure to read your ticket carefully before clicking, since using the correct option will make the payment process much smoother. For this example, if you want to pay a red light camera violation, click on the red light violation option. This will take you to the section specifically designed for those notices. On the red light camera page, pay attention to the details about which notices are accepted. The page mentions notices beginning with RL, as well as notices beginning with 536. It also references violations issued after 30 days. These details help confirm that you are in the correct place based on the information printed on your notice. If your notice matches one of those categories, you can continue confidently. Next, click on Pay Violation. This will move you into the payment portal for your red light camera notice. From there, simply follow the prompts on the screen to proceed to payment. The site will guide you through entering the required ticket details, reviewing the violation information, and completing the transaction. Take your time and double-check everything before submitting, especially the notice number and payment amount, to help avoid delays or errors. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Philadelphia County. If you're paying a different type of violation, just return to the main violations page and choose the matching category before following the prompts to complete your payment.